Thank you so much, my good friends, for hanging with me today. You know, we found a good eye. We got lucky. So remember what I said last time. In order to identify the sides of the heart of the eye, you need to look at the short side. Okay. We look at this short side. See, this is the short side. There's the short side. There's the long side, and there's the long side. So this short side is obviously not very busy. Correct? Do you only see one? Okay, so that would be obviously the medial side. uh, you know so we go to the other side. Looky here, looky, there's this one on the compass point, which is that's the lateral side. The one that is the two muscles, one at an angle and one at the compass point, is the lateral side. Okay, and the good thing about the other one at an angle is that it points to one of the long sides, which will be the inferior side. So just by looking at that one short side, you are able to identify the lateral side and the inferior side. So by default, if you know the inferior, you know the other side is got to be superior. By default, if you know the lateral side, you know the other side is got to be medial. You understand? So just by looking at that one side, you identify all four sides in one fell swoop. As in, Macbeth. That's Shakespeare. Okay, very good. So, the camera is on. So this is the lateral rectus, and this here is the inferior oblique. Looky, it's pointing to this long side, and so here you would see only one. Unfortunately, it got cut a little bit, but it's still there. Looky here. So that's the inferior rectus right here. Okay, if this is the inferior side, so this side has to be the superior side, and you're gonna confirm it. Why? Because then you would have one being the one at the compass point, which is the superior rectus. I'm getting an itch. And I can't even scratch because of my gloves and stuff. Okay, so this is the superior rectus, and the one at an angle is the superior oblique. So you confirm indeed that this long side is indeed the superior. Since we said this is the lateral rectus, this is going to be the medial rectus. And you will confirm that indeed is the medial rectus because there will be no other muscle there. It's only by itself, because this is the one by the nose bridge. So we know this is the left eye. You understand? Let's bless you. Okay? So you see what I'm saying, my good friends? Okay? So, and then obviously since it's a ruminant eye, so the retractor bulb is the seventh. Okay? And the human does not have a retractor bulb. You understand? Okay, so let's go through the muscles one more time, and then we'll cut everything, and then you know what I'm saying? We'll do this stuff. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. So, what is this? And now you guys are chiming in now. What is this? Okay, what is this? This one here coming from this side, coming down here. What is this? I just said it, guys, like 2 seconds ago. This one? On this short side? The busy short side? Which one is this? It's the short side, so it can't be superior. Yeah, lateral rectus. The lateral rectus will have both the one at the compass point and the one at the angle. Okay, and the rationale you could use for that is that the lateral side there's nothing, so you could have two muscles there. The other short side is by the nose bridge, so there's a bunch of things over there, like your, olfactory stuff and whatnot. So you only have one muscle there. That's the rationale you can use for yourself. You understand? Because it makes sense. So there you're easier able to remember that. You know what I'm saying? So you know this one with the one muscle on the compass point is the medial side. You understand? So if this is the medial side, then by default the other short side has to be the lateral side. Again, the lateral side will have the compass point muscle, which will be the lateral rectus, and then the angle muscle, which points towards one long side, which will be the inferior oblique. You understand? So the inferior oblique points towards this long side, which is inferior, and you confirm it's the long side because you only see one compass point muscle, which is the inferior rectus. Okay? So then you go to the other long side and you say, what? If this is the inferior side, then that one has got to be the superior side. And you will confirm it because you will see two muscles again, one at the compass point, which is the superior rectus, and one at the angle, which is the superior oblique. You understand? Then in the human, you would be done. And it's all on the board. but this is a ruminator. So you have this one, which is the retractable B. You understand? Okay. So now you guys let's switch off the video.